look at what this stinker's been doing. Look at you standing like a big girl. Anna Bobana. Anna. Hi. Careful. Anna. Look at you. You're so tall and big.
Show Mama kisses. You do it, Anna. She says, I haven't quite mastered multitasking yet, okay?
She wants to go for the bulb on the Christmas tree.
Yeah. We're watching you. Can you do that? Not at the moment, huh?
9 months old. Look at this. 9 months old. Merry Christmas Eve, everybody, by the way. I have been crappy with videos. I apologize.
Her mother's been taking up her time.
Very valid point. Plus, I'm working from home. That doesn't help. You would think it would help, but I get a little busy. Ha! Today is Christmas Eve, and all through the house, my camera isn't working. It's not focusing. There we go. And the creature was stirring. Not even Anna. Where are the dogs? So I got to get off of work early. So I'm spending my day with this one who seriously wants to walk. Look at this thing. Look at you. Look. Look at what she does. You can't stand on that. You're going to fall. It's too flimsy. Here. Give Mama your hand. Okay, ready? Can you stand up now? Oh, guess not. Yeah, she broke it actually. Trying to do what she's doing right now, which is standing. Come over here. Look. This is your temporary Christmas Eve box. What is that? Is it a present? Let's open your present. Ready? This is your Christmas Eve. Get in there. Hey. Look. New jammies. A toy and a movie. Look at the toys. Look at that. Oh, cool.
She'd rather have that little box that it came from. Come on.
What do you think?
You feel better now?
You can keep the jammies. She wants the toy.
Noticed. Let's get into our jammies. These are our Christmas Eve jammies. Christmas Eve jammies.
Get your sleep on.
And then comes the little striped pants.
Elf pants.
I thought they were kind of Christmassy, but not too Christmassy. Then she can wear them for a long time.
What's the video? Awesome.
Are those
VeggieTales.
ears like hard rubber or are
No,
they
they're a crinkle. They're soft. They're like a
Okay.
crinkle.
I was afraid of poking herself in the eye or something.
No. They're soft and a crinkle.
Okay, now you can see. Okay, what kind of new toy do I have?
For you. Not for you. Is that a good toy? Nope.
Yeah, it's a ring and it's new.
So this is going to be a new tradition, okay? You get a new pair of jammies and something else. Yeah, and you like that, huh?
And what play with it earlier. She remembers it. She's already seen that.
Yeah. I remember this.
You want to put it in? Actually, we need to go to bed.
No, I'll just eat it.
We'll watch it first thing tomorrow morning.
There you go.
Hey.
We'll watch it in the morning. All right, let's get you changed.
Yeah.
What a wonderful world.